Slowly, slowly, man. Slowly, slowly catching the monkey.
Really cool traditional house, my god.
Alright, so now we are moving to Labdang, and this is our van. We are now going to
Labdang.
Labdang.
First, we'll reach to Darap. There, we're going to have breakfast, most probably.
We have a horse, and down there is another horse, and there are more horse. So that's why we say like the most of the thing you can see here is horse and yak poo, and you can smell it everywhere.
Yak's poo.
We have two more, the professional guides. If you are interested in Gochala, Sandakpur trek, anything, name it, they're always there. Sanduk-san, as always, he's always there in our videos and in all our tour. And we have Tenzing-san.
Known as a Sandakpur Express.
Yes.
Sandakpur Falud Express.
The river. We came all the way top from there. That was pretty long walk last night we had. That's the river and this is the edge. If we fall, then we'll be down there. People can find us. So we are at the Dharap right now. So this is Limbu Ward, right? Dharap means flatland in Limbu language. So that's the school, Dambar Singh Limbu Memorial School. So most of the Limbu people are, Limbu people lives here in West Sikkim. So they literally have a beautiful way to go to school. लिम्बू भाषामै लेखेको रहेछ मेरो आम्बो कस्तो दामी nice house with a beautiful nursery. So this is Rimbi Waterfalls. It's quite tall. I think in rainy season it will be nice, but right now it's pretty small. So we are here at Rimbi. So we are here at Rimbi. This is a Hindu temple. The river, it's beautiful. That's the old bridge and this is the new one. The Karchen Powerhouse. This was built by?
King, last Chogel of Sikkim.
Last Chogel?
Yes, the king of Sikkim.
Okay, the king of Sikkim, the last Chogel. This is Karchen Powerhouse. So we are somewhere in Khechipuri and this is a really beautiful handwork, handcraft. This is called Dungro. See, cups made of wood. Really nice. See, nice, so nice. This is usually we use to make yoke butter banane. Nice keychains. So we reached Kanchenjunga waterfall. However, this is not the one. This comes from Khechipuri Lake, and the Kanchenjunga waterfall is towards the right. We are going there. You can literally enjoy zipline as well. How is the food?
예뻐도. भाइ चम्ची दिनुहोस् न.
So here we present Kanchenjunga waterfalls, which comes from straight from the glacier of Kanchenjunga. Yeah. Ambo full se bhi upar hai. No, no.
अरे हम भी क्या कम है.
So we reached Kongri, and this place is Lepcha village, yes, and this is pretty cool traditional house. My God, really nice.
Today is our bad luck. All the weather is hazy, all cloudy. You can see the peak and all. हम भी क्या कम है. Now the road begins. Slowly catching the monkey. There's nothing. उतापट्टि खिच्छ. अरे हम भी क्या कम है. कुदाउने केटा हो. But this one is nothing, isn't it?
Nothing.
It begins from here, and here.
I have to catch up speed, hey. Hold on, guys. Come on.
Now the off-road begins. Look at this. Down there.
Okay. Bye bye.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Now you can take the down one. This kind of off-road, off the cliff, if we fall down, then I don't know where we'll reach. So it's my first time I'm driving in this kind of road, scary road. So, but I think I'm doing it very well.
Slowly, man. Slowly catching the monkey.
Look down, guys! Look down! But literally, this van is doing a great job. My goodness, off-road.
You can see the
on-road.
cliff. Damn, man.
Yeah, we hit the good road now.
Finally, guys, we made the good road.
There's the boat.
बाख्रा गर्छ मे.
Finally, guys, we are here at the destination. This is Labdang, West Sikkim. You can literally see mountains up there, but because of the clouds, it's not visible. These are langur, you know. These are not the normal monkey, you know. Like they are in wild. They are. You see. Good morning, everyone. So last night we literally had a big problem while coming down to Jorthang. Our car broke down in the middle of nowhere. Then we had to tow the car. Nurupsan's relative came to save us. So now the car is here, the van,
We are waiting for the mechanic. He'll come, repair it, and we'll go back to Darjeeling. So this was all about our tour. So hope you guys will like our videos, and you can always explore Sikkim, Darjeeling with us. Anyone interested, please call us. Hiking, trekking, anything, alright? Tirtha Yatra, pilgrimage, pilgrim tour. So everything is there. So you just need to contact Village Camping Darjeeling for that. Cheers! Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.